We are Jan and Marion of Retirement Budget Travel. We recently took a day trip to Arles in southern France in the beautiful region of Provence. We arrived at Arles after a 15-minute train ride from our travel apartment in Avignon, France. We'd heard that Arles had one of the best preserved Roman amphitheaters in France, but we weren't really sure what else there was to see. But we decided to travel to Arles and find out, and here is what we discovered. We started our day at the Roman amphitheater, where we bought the Pass Advantage combo tickets, which included 6 UNESCO monuments and 4 museums for around €20, which we thought was a total bargain. Built in the 1st century by Caesar Augustus, the Arles Amphitheater was the largest Roman monument in France and was used for gladiator fights until the fall of the Roman Empire in 550 AD. We were amused by the 100-year-old graffiti. Some things never change. The Roman Theater of Arles, located next to the amphitheater, was also built by Caesar Augustus in the 1st century and was an important feature of Roman society. The most eerie and unusual attraction was the Roman Forum cryptoportices, which are basement tunnels that ran under the Roman Forum, which is today the location of Arles City Hall and Main Square. These tunnels were built in the 1st century BC and were used for shops and storage. We had a lot of fun exploring the spooky dim tunnels and imagining what they might have been like during the Roman Empire. Next, we visited the Baths of Constantine, a 4th century Roman bathhouse. We were awed by the architecture, which had the classic red brick layers wedged between stones, which was considered a high-tech building method for its time. The cloister of Saint Trophime was built in the 12th century and was named after the first bishop of Arles. After his death, the cloister and church were added to the famous pilgrimage route of San Juan de Compostela, which ran from southern France to northern Spain. We felt a sense of wonder and peace at this beautiful 800-year-old cloister. The last attraction on our Pass Advantage list was Les Alcamps, a Roman burial necropolis, which was established around 250 BC. A grassy path lined with trees and tombs leads to a medieval chapel. In 1888, while residing in Arles, Vincent van Gogh painted Les Alcamps, a pair of paintings of the necropolis that put this peaceful resting place on the art map forever. One of the most enjoyable things to do on any French town is to wander the streets. Arles was no exception. Lovely cobblestone streets with colorful homes and shops were a true delight. There was no lack of excellent French restaurants in Arles either. We ate a leisurely lunch at the Wow Mazette restaurant in the Old Town, which featured modern takes on French classics. Our initial concern that there might not be much to see in Arles turned out to be false. We enjoyed a fantastic day working our way through the diverse Pass Advantage attractions that were filled with history, art, food, and fun.